My dear students, our next concept is some standard results. These are very, very important. Sometimes we can do the problem, objective model problems, we can do in directly within 1 second. If you remember these standard results directly, whenever they given based on this standard results, we can give the direct answer. Okay, if you remember, otherwise we can't do anything. So that's why maximum you try to remember all these formulas, very very easy also. So here first standard result is I power n is equal to I. Here I means identity matrix. Identity matrix means always square matrices. Here order may be any order, that means 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, up to n by n. Any matrix you take and raise the power up to n, that means I power 1 is equal to I only, I square I cube I power 4 I power 5 I power 6 I power 7 I, up to I power n also I only, with the same order. If it is 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 2 by 2 you will get. So proof of this one I will explain here. So let us take some example with 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, if you take 3 by 3, 4 by 4, it will be very lengthy. So that's why I am taking example with the 2 by 2 matrix. If I 2 by 2 is equal to 1 0 0 1, okay, then I 2 by 2 power n is equal to I 2 by 2 matrix. I am going to prove. Actually here you just remember I square means I into I. Don't it doesn't mean I square is not, I square is not equal to 1 power, that means 1 square 0 square 0 square 1 square. It is not that meaning. I square means I into I, multiplication of these two matrices, that means multiply I with itself. So we know the procedure how to multiply the two matrices. Okay, I cube means I into I into I. Okay, you can write this I cube is as I into I, again you can write as I square into I also we can write, or I into I square also we can write, no problem, you get same answer. Okay, clear? So I power 4 means I into I into I into I 4 times, that means you can write as I square into I square also, or I cube into I also, or I into I cube also, anyone you can write. Okay, so now let n is equal to 2 you can take. Actually I power 1 is I only, very clear, you know, power 1 is equal to same you get. So go with n is equal to 2. So I square you take. So for n is equal to 2 we have to prove, n is equal to 3 if you prove, then similarly we can write for n is equal to n. Okay, so I square is equal to I into I. So I 2 by 2 matrix is 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, we know very well. Okay, identity matrix, so it is a diagonal matrix, all diagonal elements are equal to 1. Okay, so 2 by 2 matrix is like this. So multiply 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0, 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0, 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0, 0 into 0, 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. So 1 plus 0 1, 0 plus 0 0. Okay, see, this is also 2 by 2 matrix. So you denote with I 2 by 2, or I 2 also we can write, only suffix with 2. Okay, no problem. Similarly, what can you conclude? Same I cube. I cube means what? I square into I only. If you multiply I square means what? I only here. So that means I cube is equal to I square into I if you write. Okay, I square also I only. Again I into I only. I into I already what you get? I only. So for if you take I cube also you get I only. So similarly we can say I power n is equal to I with same order. Next one. If a is equal to 0 1 1 0, then a power n is equal to a is equal to, it is not identity matrix. Principal diagonal elements are zeros, rest of them are ones. It is 2 by 2 matrix particularly. Remember, particularly 2 by 2 matrix. Then a power n is equal to I 2 by 2. Same I 2 by 2 means already, okay. So I am not saying third one. Go for the second one first. If a is equal to a 0 0 0 b 0 0 0 c, then a power n is equal to a power n 0 0 0 b power n 0 0 0 c power n. It is a diagonal matrix. For diagonal matrix, if you want to raise the power up to n, it becomes to only diagonal powers will be raised with same power I. A power n, B power n, C power n. Rest of them are all zeros only. So that means what can you say? Conclusion. So if they given the question in the exam, if A is equal to A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C, then find A square. A square is nothing but directly we can say A square 0 0 0 B square 0 0 0 C square. That is only the answer of the question. These are very very important for MSET. Okay. See here. A is equal to same that one proof second one A 0 0 0 B 0 0 0 C. So take n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2 means A square. A square means what? A into A. A into A means same two matrices you have to write. So multiply A into A square. Actually these two are diagonal matrices. Already I explained in previous video. If you have two diagonal matrices, that product becomes to with same order. That product becomes to just take the product of the corresponding diagonals in diagonal of the new resulting matrix, and rest of them you take zeros only directly. That is one of the procedure. Otherwise if you multiply you get same answer. A into A square plus 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. A into 0 0 plus 0 into B 0 plus 0 into 0 0. A into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into C 0. Next 0 into A 0 plus B into 0 0 plus C into 0 0. Next same second row with second column. 0 into 0 0 plus B into B square plus 0 into 0 0. Next second row with third column. 0 into 0 0 plus B into 0 0 plus C into 0 0. Next third row with similarly three columns. 0 into A 0 plus 0 into 0 0 plus C into 0 0 plus C 0 into 0 0 plus C in, sorry 0 into B 0 plus C into 0 0. Next 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0 C into C square. Simplify A square 0 0 C 0 B square 0 0 0 C square. Similarly, what can you conclude? For similarly, if you take A square, that gives square. A cube, cube. A power 4, 4 you get. A power n, you get n's only. A power n 0 0 0, B power n 0 0 0, C power n. Next one, next conclusion. Third one, if A is equal to 0 1 1 0, then A power n is equal to I2 by 2 matrix. So that means I2 by 2 is nothing but 1 0 0 1. That means reverse you get. It is not identity matrix, but here you get identity matrix when if n is even. If n is even, that means A square, this matrix you get. A power 4, this matrix you get. A power 6, this matrix you get. Otherwise, if n is not even, n is odd, it is what? A means A power 1 only. 1 means nothing but odd number. Odd number means you get same matrix, A only, if n is odd. Proof of this one is A is equal to 0 1 1 0. For n is even, take n is equal to 2. So A square is equal to A into A. That is equal to 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0. Multiply 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. So this row to this column completed. Now this row to this column. 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0. So what is this? 1 0 0 1. Identity matrix I2 by 2 you got. For n is equal to 2. Just to take one example. So for n is odd. Take n is equal to 3. Because n is equal to 1 already we have. Same matrix. Sorry, where it is? If n is equal to 1 you get same matrix 0 1 1 0. Actually I means 1 0 0 1. I means I2 by 2 means. Okay. So same you got that one only. Yeah. So now for n is odd, take n is equal to 3. Already for n is equal to 1, you got same matrix. If you want to prove one more thing, you just go for A cube. A cube means A into A into A. A into A into A means you can write A square into A. Don't multiply A into A. After that again you multiply with A. Because already we found A square. So that's why you substitute here. A square means A square into A means actually A square is equal to I. I means what? 1 0 0 1. 0 1 into 0 1 1 0 is A. So IA we have written here. So IA multiplication 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0. 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. Next 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0. So what you get 0 1 1 0. 0 1 1 0 is nothing but A only. So again you get same matrix. So that means if a given matrix A is equal to 0 1 1 0, then A power n, where n is even, you get identity matrix with the same order 2 by 2, and if n is odd, you get same matrix A. Next, fourth one. If A is equal to x, 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 all of them are x only, then A power n is equal to, observe here, A power n is equal to 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 into x power n. Okay. This one, if you want to write like this also, 2 power n minus 1 into x power, all the elements have the same factor, common factor, same. After 2 power n minus 1 into x power 1, what we have? 1 1 1 1 only. So this one also we can say. Okay, very clear. If A is equal to x x x x, then A power n is equal to x power n, we get same thing, x power n we get, and we have one more factor, 2 power n minus 1. So 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 x power n, 2 power n minus 1 x power n, 2 power n minus 1 x power n. This one you can write as 2 power n minus 1 x power n into all entries 1 1 1 with 2 by 2 matrix you can write. So proof of this one is A power 1, that's sorry, here A is equal to x x x x. For n is equal to 2, you take A square, A into A, x x x x x x x x. So actually, for this matrix, x is a common factor for every entry. So take that x common, then you can say 1 1 1 1 only. And from this one also, we take x common, 1 1 1 1 only we have. Okay. See here, x into x, what it is? X square, and multiply these two matrices. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. Next, same this row to this column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. Next, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. So x square into 2, 2, 2, 2. So here you can say, if you multiply that x square inside, what you have? 2x square, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. Here power of 2 is 1, but power of x is 2. So if you take a square, power of 2 is 1, power of x is 2, same you get. So go for n is equal to 3, a cube. A cube means what can you say? A square into a only. So a square already 2x square, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. It is x x x x. Now, if you take common x square from here and x from here, so x into x x cube, remaining 2 2 2 2 1 1 1 1. Same multiply. 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 2. Next same this row to this column. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 into 1 2. Okay, next 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 2. Next this row to this column. 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into 1 2. So 4 4 4 4. So this is equal to x cube in 2 square 2 square 2 square 2 square. 4 means we can write as 2 square. So x cube, if you write inside, 2 square into x cube, 2 square into x cube, 2 square into x cube, 2 square into x cube. What can you say? If n is equal to 3, that means a cube is equal to. So x power is same, but power of 2 just reduced 1. That means 2 square. That means what can you conclude? For n is equal to 2, power of 2 is 1. That means 2 minus 1. And x power is 2 only. For n is equal to 3, power of 2 is 2. That means power of 2 is 2 means 3 minus 1. And x power is same 3. So similarly, for a power n, power of 2 will be n minus 1 and x power is n. So you get same matrix. 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 into x power n, 2 power n minus 1 into x power n. So this is the proof of this one. Next, actually we didn't complete trigonometry. So until you just remember these two standard results, very easy. So no need to, actually we have apply some compound angles and some multiple and submultiple angles formulas to complete this one. So that's why I'm not explaining this to directly. You remember the result until you complete the trigonometry. Okay. So if A is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Okay, cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Then a power n is equal to just that n comes to angle, at angle. That means here in the cos theta, theta is the angle, na? So a power n becomes to cos n theta sin n theta minus sin n theta cos n theta. Very clear. Okay. Similarly, if a is equal to cos h theta, h means hyperbolic function, it is not n. Hyperbolic functions also we didn't complete. In trigonometry only it is one of the part. So at the trigonometry you can understand. Until you just remember these formulas. If a is equal to cos h theta sin h theta, sin h theta cos h theta, then a power n is equal to same like cos h n theta sin h n theta sin h n theta cos h n theta. Here you remember, here there is no minus, here minus is there. If minus, same you get, but here minus, without minus, same you get. Okay, what you have here, same thing you get here. Okay, with n is in the angle. So cos h theta sin h theta sin h theta cos h theta, then a power n is equal to cos h n theta sin h n theta cos h n theta sin h n theta. Okay, these are the standard results. Just remember.